Meaning of enchantingly.
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 Enchantingly. Enchantingly means in a way that is charming, captivating, and delightful. When something is described as enchanting, it suggests that it has the power to captivate our attention and evoke a sense of wonder and awe. An enchantingly beautiful place may be so mesmerizing that it takes your breath away, while an enchantingly charming person may have a magnetic personality that draws people in. Ultimately, anything described as enchanting has a special quality that makes it irresistibly attractive and captivating.